around. It's like 5:30. We're leaving Guadeloupe. Just a quick stop on the way to Antigua. We're trying to get off the anchor as quiet as possible because everyone's like sleeping. It's so peaceful.
Oh yeah.
Hi, we are Kyle and Missy, and this is a little glimpse of our life on and off our beautiful boat, Makushla. After spending 2 seasons on the Great Lakes, refitting and getting to know our new home, we sailed her down to the Caribbean. An amazing, brutal, beautiful, grueling journey that has brought us to where we are today. If you see us out and about, come say hi. We love meeting new peeps and sharing stories. And as always, thanks for watching, subscribing, and supporting.
I was just moping to Kyle last night that I've had trouble finding a way to work out on the boat.
Oh, that'll do it. Just need to get you some gloves.
Yeah. So we started pulling the chain up to be quiet and then found out it was like wrapped around
By
a boulder.
hand.
Well,
Not
yeah,
using
by
the
hand.
wingless. Hey, that's the workout part.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Oh, it was in like 40 foot of water. That's the weight. That's gonna be the new challenge. We'll just drop it like 80 feet and be like, see you go, Missy. As we get later in the year, it's like deeper and deeper, just more chain weight.
It's like,
Next thing you know, you're lifting like 200 pounds on a pole.
we could have boat CrossFit challenges. Holy schmoly, folks. I think we found our spot. Okay, what's your project today?
Oh, trying to slow this rod down. So what do? You just cut it out. No, the condensation off where the tubes go into the fridge wall and then drip down the woodwork is kind of a nightmare. Yeah. We already fixed that once this winter and the new piece is already like falling apart. You can grab the headlamp, Missy.
Yeah. So Kyle just went out in the deep. But this huge like storm came in. They've been like really small all day, and then now it's like it's really freaking windy and raining. Hope we found shelter. Oh boy. Hang in there, buddy! Officially the windiest and the smoothest spot we've ever been at anchor. It's totally wild. It's like whipping windy, but it's completely flat. Kyle bought this spice jar at the veggie market the other day.
Made from those, but 5 pounds of them.
Yeah. I need this. And what did the lady say when you asked how spicy it was?
Very hot. Very.
I can smell it. Like the whole boat smells spicy.
Oh yeah. We're gonna need some more chips. Wow. Oh, it's dangerous too because it's slow building. It tastes really good though.
That makes you go back for more.
Let's see if we douse it. Here, Mitchie.
Nope.
No? Yeah, try it.
Nope.